Good morning. Have a good day. I'm Thuong and I'm in Danang City, Vietnam. In today's video, I will show you how my day is like. Do you know Cruz is in America and I live alone in Danang? So my life is very simple. Just eating, working, exercising, and most of the time I stay at home. In the morning, I usually eat granola with banana and yogurt. It makes me feel light. My stomach is not heavy. If I cycling in the morning, I will eat breakfast outside like banh mi, like pho, like grilled pork noodle. Cruz had a habit. He can eat something continuously without getting bored, like eating sandwich or granola every day. I can't do that. I want to change the menu every day. How about everyone? Like me or Cruz? After breakfast, I started working. Did you know we have a website that teaches Japanese? It's called GPT Sensei. This website had lessons on grammar, vocabulary, kanji, and practice tests. And my main job is writing documents for the website. Like right now, I'm writing two kanji lessons. I will write vocabulary and examples related to that kanji word. In artisan, I will also make flashcards of kanji and grammar. Everyone can download and learn it. And now it's time for lunch. I usually order lunch. Within 30 minutes, the food will arrive. For me, I live alone, so ordering food is more convenient. At noon, I don't want to eat much because eating too much will make me feel sleepy. If I cook, it takes a lot of time, so I usually cook in the evening. My lunch is quite simple. Sometimes I eat banh mi or noodle. These foods are easy to digest. I won't feel sleepy anymore. in the afternoon, I often edit video and exercise. Cruise is busy right now, so I will be making and editing video for the cycling channel, Two Wheel Cruise, and walking channel, Vietnam Travel Guide. My exercise time usually starts at 4 p.m. I will cycle by my road bike or folding bike. Come join me for a relaxing bike ride. Let's go! October in Danang is still hot. Hopefully the weather will be colder soon. I'm so hungry. I must eat the bread before cooking dinner. This is red bean bread I bought at a bakery near my house. They sell the penny bread, but I feel it not real. There's only 7% similar to the penny bread. Oh, I miss the pen so much. And now, it's time to cook dinner. Today, I will cook beef stew. In Japanese, beef stew. This food will be eaten with bread. Cruz really liked this food. He said it was delicious and easy to eat. It's quite similar to curry, so I think his family will like it too. I will cook it for his family and his friends when I come to America. In the meantime, I will get on the phone with Cruz.
何言ってる？
ビデオ撮影してる。
今撮影してる？
A day in my life. Video.
撮影編集
撮影。この時間クルーズと喋るよって。The food is ready. Let's eat. Itadakimasu. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.